Up drivers behind those lines. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
Hyper the first to score over on the blue side. Meanwhile on red, Iron Tigers and Tornadoes unloading into the red hub. Delta Prime Robotics off to the center, back over the bump with a fresh batch of fuel. Riot Crew on blue, loading up from the outpost, getting ready for that transition period. It's going to be the Blue Alliance with the advantage early. Hyper quick to get over to the Laker bots, get them unstuck from that fuel, from the fuel in the center in the neutral zone. Riot Crew with another unload before we shift over to the red active hub. Iron Tigers crossing that bump, making their way back to the center of the field. Meanwhile, Delta Prime Robotics loading up on fuel, filling up that hopper and getting themselves lined up. Iron Tigers right there with them. On the other side, Tornadoes making their way carefully under the trench, try to play some defense, but getting a little caught up. That's going to leave the window open for Laker bots and Hyper to unload, followed quickly by the Riot Crew. All three blue robots arcing that fuel into the hub, looking close to that first ranking point for getting energized for 100 fuel. Looks like they will secure that with plenty of time before this shift ends, and it goes back to red. Delta Prime Robotics, they're going to score some fuel over on the red side, looking to close the gap. 125 to 34 your score with 1:10 left to play. Lakerbots stealing some fuel as Delta Prime sends some more up towards the hub. Lakerbots now retreating back to the Blue Alliance zone. They've got Tornadoes waiting there, ready to play some defense. All three blue robots unloading their hoppers once again. Tornadoes are going to be able to throw Lakerbots offline for those last few shots. But blue is still holding a commanding lead, 180 to 39, as we approach the end game shift where both hubs will be active. Blue hub is going to stay active while it's joined by the red one. Delta Prime looking to get towards that ranking point for the red side, but still a lot of work to do with only 20 seconds left. Human players looking to aid in that action as blue continues to extend their lead. 260 points for blue, still climbing with 10 seconds to go. Riot Crew hugging that tower as Tornadoes continuing to play defense. Lakerbots sitting there as well, and time is going to run out. Our referee. With that, we have your scores. Let's see how things shook out for match 58. Winner is your Blue Alliance. 314 to 53, the final scores for that match. 4 ranking points picked up by blue. Lakerbots holding on to their number 3 spot. Riot Crew and Hyper climbing up in the rankings as we climb closer to